Seriously, Joyce, I'm cleaning the kitchen.
Fine, then just give me some coffee.
Oh, she's so lazy. Oh, today's April Fool's Day. I'm gonna prank her. To prank Joyce, all we need are Oreos and Ziploc bags. First, use a butter knife to take the cream out of the cookie. Now put the cookies in the Ziploc bag. Now we just crush up the cookies with a mallet. Now that it's crushed up, we just gotta put it in the coffee container. Alright, now that it's filled up, we just take it up to Joyce with a cup of hot water.
Max, what's taking you so long?
I'm right here, calm down.
Finally.
Relax, look, I even got your favorite coffee.
You didn't even make it for me. Ugh, I have to do everything. Why isn't it dissolving? It looks so weird.
What do you mean? This is yours from the kitchen. I'm sure it tastes fine.
Okay, if you say so. Max, what did you do? This isn't coffee.
April Fools.
You know what? I'm making my own coffee.
Oh, make me some tea while you're at it.
Max thinks he can mess up my coffee? Well, I'll show him. Ooh, I'll replace the sugar with some salt. First, let's dump out all the sugar. Now, I just pour in the salt. Now let's bring the tea to Max. Here's your tea, Max.
Ooh, yes. Oh, you brought me sugar too? Thanks, Joyce. Oh, it's so salty.
April Fool's, Max. That's what you get for messing with my coffee.
What? That's not fair. Oh.
So what do you think? Hello, Fred? Are you even listening?
That's a great idea, honey.
Unbelievable! Your vegetable butter, enjoy.
Yeah, thanks. Huh? Oh man, they forgot the tomato! I need to go find the waitress.
Now that Fred's gone, let's have some April Fool's fun.
I just need double-sided tape and a fake nail.
First, cut off the plastic of the nail. Next, crack a screen protector. Use double-sided tape to put the nail on the screen protector. Then put the screen protector onto the phone. Oh, Fred's coming!
Can't believe they ran out of tomatoes. I'm gonna write a bad review. What? What happened to my phone? Why are you laughing?
That was priceless. What? April Fool's, Fred. That's what you get for using your phone on our date.
What? It's a prank? Oh, thank goodness. Now I can write that bad review. Oh, sorry, Joyce. I'll pay attention to you. Hey, Amy, I got you a gift.
Really? Let me open it. Wow, it's the glasses I wanted. Thanks, Fred.
Yeah, no problem. Try them on.
Okay. Huh? Oh, I can't even put them on.
April Fools.
Hey, give me some scissors. Max, that's so gross.
What? I'm just drinking my juice.
Yeah, but I wanted some.
Here, then have some. I'm gonna go get a snack.
Drinking straight from a bottle? I'll show him not to do it again. I'll use the sour spray on the opening of the bottle to prank Max. Now put this away and we wait for Max. Okay, Max.
We only had chips. Oh man, I'm thirsty. Oh, it's so sour!
Did you enjoy your juice, Max?
What did you do to the juice?
April Fools, next time use a cup, Max.
Joyce!
What?
There's a huge sale at the market. Everything's 90% off.
90% off? I need to get ready. Get out, get out.
Okay.
I need to tie my hair up so I don't miss anything on sale. Now I need clothes to run around in. No, I can't run in these. Oh, this is perfect. these will work. All right, now I have to go to the store before all the stuff is gone. 90% off of this would be $10. I always wanted a coffee machine. Hi, I'm ready to check out. Okay. All right, your total comes out to $560. What happened to the 90% off deal? We don't have any sales. I'll just get the mixer then. Okay. I'll get Fred back for this.
Amy, did you even clean anything? Everything's still so dusty.
What are you talking about? I've been cleaning all morning.
Obviously not hard enough. You need to clean better. I'll be back in an hour. Everything better be spotless.
Max is so naggy. I'm gonna prank him. I'm gonna cover the trash can with this plastic wrap. Now that I have the plastic wrap, I'll put it on the trash can. There we go. Now if Max wants things clean, he can do it himself. Now to leave a mess.
Huh? What?
I knew she'd leave a mess. I'll just throw it away myself.
Huh? What? Is this plastic wrap?
April Fool's, Max. Clean it up yourself.
What? Amy?
Oh, she's always making a mess. Oh.
Hi everyone! Did you guys like our video? Leave a comment down below.
Make sure to subscribe to our channel.
Click the bell button, give us a big thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye!